board. Oh, this one has some nice gold plated ribbons and some not gold plated ribbons. Honestly, if I had the space, I'd just keep them as is, but I don't have a lot of space, and my wife would kill me if I keep all the stuff. That's why I don't hold on to steel. So for me, for myself, I don't have a choice but to kind of take them apart. For some people it's worth it, some people it's not. I'm one of the people that it's worth stripping just for headache purposes. One more, and we'll see what we can do. You can take them apart even more. You can go more in depth. For example, you have the DVD boards, but then you also have the lasers, which have some gold-plated material, obviously some aluminum. You have copper-bearing motors, another board here. I might go through it a little more after the video, but I doubt it, just because I'm not really into gold-plated material that much. But I do collect some. So now we have all the boards, so let's see what is going to end up happening. So we have 9.2 ounces. And we said it's at 425. So it's actually giving us more or less 44, about 50 cents more by doing what I just did.